we are very overwhelmed this afternoon by the victory with Kotoko this afternoon. As a matter of fact, Kotoko, they cheated us when we were in Kumasi, but we demonstrated a good soccer this afternoon and showed them that it is not the big names that can do the football. Heart of Lions is back with every victory and vim. My very big thanks goes to the supporters who were nowhere than the pitch, helping us to do all jobs to make this place a good football match today. We are very grateful, and I thank all the supporters who came in their numbers to witness this football this afternoon.
Well, will you say that now that you are back to the den, that's how you guys brand this stadium, the Kpando Sports Stadium, you said it's the den of the lion. When you go, you'll be devoured. Do you think that in the past, this place used to be a fortress? It's a no-go zone area for away teams. Do you think that the new Kpando Sports Stadium is going to be a den once again?
Yes, very, very true. And of course, we learned a lot of lessons when we qualified and the first round wasn't favoring us. But God so good, we have a new coach, we have a new bus, we have a new sports stadium. We're not going to joke with the soccer this second season. We will do everything possible and will not be relegated. That one, I guarantee the public.
Thank you very much for speaking to us. Congratulations on your victory today.
Grateful. I'm very grateful. Thank you. Thank you. God